friends, this is Ashirvad here. In this video, I will be explaining how to draw flowcharts to support your algorithms. In the previous lecture, we saw how to design and write algorithms to draw the logic of the program that we are going to implement. Flowchart is just another way of implementing the logic or displaying the logic, and this is a very important tool for the beginners. So let's begin. If you remember the previous lecture, we had written this algorithm for addition of two numbers. Okay, the machine starts the process, it takes a number and stores it in A, second number is stored in B, then C is equal to A plus B is calculated, and since the result is stored in the memory location C, it displays it on the screen. It's quite simple. Now, talking about flowchart, it is basically a graphical or symbolic representation of an algorithm. Okay, so that's it, and simple and straightforward definition for a flowchart. So, how to use the symbols, or what symbols are used to design flowcharts? Let me explain one by one. As such, there are many symbols in flowcharts, and the topic can go much deeper than this. But in this lecture, I am covering up only basic symbols, okay, so that you people understand the concept well. The first symbol that you should understand is a rounded rectangle, which we use to indicate start or stop. Second symbol is the parallelogram. You can see it is used for input, output, or simply data. The third symbol is the rectangle. It is used to indicate any process. Like in the algorithm, we have this step 4. We can say it's a process. Okay. Next symbol is this diamond shape. It is called decision or simply condition. And rest we have these connecting lines or flow lines simply to connect one shape with another. So let us see how to design a flow chart for this algorithm for getting addition of two numbers. Okay, I'm using a software called eDraw to design flowcharts because I find it a bit easier to explain. So on my left side, I am given all the shapes which I want. So first thing, if you can see, I want to represent start, and what symbol we have for start? A rounded rectangle. Okay, so here it is. I will simply put it here, and I will write start inside it. So I have a starting point. Okay, the next symbol I want is according to this instruction, take first number as A, that is I am taking an input, and to take input I need a parallelogram. So let us see if we can find this. It's right here. I'll put it here. Okay, and now you can write the same step inside it, that is take first number as A. Okay, let me adjust this a bit. Right, this is fine. Now we need to connect these two shapes because it's a flow chart, and in this we are displaying the flow of the processing which is happening to solve the given problem. Okay, so our flow is coming from this to this, so I'm going to use a connector which simply connects this shape with the next shape. So our flow is going like this. So is it clear? Now next step is again an input, so we'll simply take another parallelogram here, or let me just copy it like this, and here I will write take second number as B. Okay, fine. So far the steps are clear. Let me adjust this a little bit. Let it be like this. The next is of course a process, because we are doing a process here, so we need a process symbol. So we take a process symbol after this, and inside this we'll write calculate C is equal to A plus B. Okay, and then we connect. So you can see you can observe the flow here. Okay, clearly this is going from top to bottom like this, step by step. Okay, now the next is of course we want to display something, and that is output. And for output we have this parallelogram symbol. So we take this and we simply write display C and we connect. Okay, now talking about these connectors, the arrow makes a lot of sense here. Okay, it indicates from where to where the flow of the information or the process is going. So make sure you are maintaining the flow here, correct flow. Okay, and the last step is of course stop. So we'll put a rounded rectangle or simply oval here, and then we connect them, and we just write stop, and that's it. So we have our first flow chart. As you can see, start, take first number, then take another number, then perform some processing, display some output, and then stop. So as you can see, it is same as algorithms. Okay, but this is just a graphical way of displaying of step-by-step solution of a given problem. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe if you have liked the content. Thank you.